my dear. Today let us we learn about mathematics. Another part is algebra. Dear students, what is algebra? Algebra is just like a great fun, solving a puzzle. It is one of the puzzle. Dear students, in the algebra, today we are going to learn simple equation. The new chapter, simple equation. What is an equation? By seeing the word equation, you can see few things. Equation, equal word also you can find. The equation indicates equal. An equation says that two things are equal. An equation says that two things are equal. So, what is equation? An equation says two things are equal. In the same way, this equation says you what is on the left side is equal to the on the right. What is on the left side is equal on the right. Then this equation give you some messages to you. Some messages. What is equation? So you can find out equation is like a statement. In common language I can say that this equals that. Equation is like a statement. You can in a common language you can say that this equals that. Now hope you understood what is equation. So let us see what is simple equation. You know equation. Now let us see what is simple equation. Writing in the form of simple manner. You know that the simple means very simple. Now let us see what is solution. How to find out for the equation solution. You must know the meaning and then you can start. A solution is a value. This value makes the equation true. A solution is a value. It makes the equation true. This is called solution. Finding. Just now I told you algebra is just like a puzzle. You are finding the solution for that. How to solve an equation? Dear students, there is no perfect way to find the method, but you can find the value. That finding the value of the variable is called the solution of the equation. How to solve an equation? Solving means finding the value of the variable. You are hearing the new word variable. What is the meaning of variable? Variable? A variable is a symbol. It is nothing else. A variable is a symbol for a number. Instead of which is unknown, that is we taken as symbol. Those symbols we usually select from the alphabet. A variable is a symbol. It is we chosen from the alphabet. You can choose any letter, but it is unknown. Unknown. We don't know what is that. But why it is named as variable? Because it varies from situation to situation. Variable does not have a fixed value. It varies from case to case. Hope you understood what is variable. Variable is a symbol for a number. It is usually we select from the alphabet, but it does not have the fixed value. It varies from case to case. Now, my dear students, you understood what is variable. Now, let us see equation, simple equation. This is 5x minus 7 is equal to 5 is one of the simple equation. But this simple equation there are different parts. We must know these parts. For example, now 5 is there. 5 is and x is variable. Now you understood what is x. X is a variable. You must know that this x does not have the fixed value. For this equation it has the fixed value. But if you take another equation, the x value will be different. Then with x there is number 5, that is called coefficient. A coefficient is a number used to multiply a variable. In the algebra, it is 5x means 5 multiplied by x. 5x minus 7 is equal to 5. Hope you know that minus, plus, basic operation. So it is called operator. There are 4 basic operation: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and these 2 are constant. Constant means they have their fixed value, then they are stable. Constant, you must know the meaning of constant also. A number on its own is called a constant. It is having its own value, it is called constant. The next is coefficient. A coefficient is a number used to multiply a variable. Hope you understood what is an equation. Equation says that two things are equal. Only that's it. Here, usually in the algebra, how we are solving the problem? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So in the shortcut, we use that LHS is equal to RHS. In this way, equation means two things are equal. This equals that. What is a solution? Solution is a value. This values makes the equation true. The value must be make the equation true, then your answer is correct. You can become teacher for yourself to evaluate or to check whether you have done correct or wrong. If you apply the value, you must get this equals that, means left hand side is equal to right hand side. How to solve an equation? Just finding the value of variable. See, as I told you, how to solve an equation? Finding the value of variable. You can use for the finding the value of variable. Next video, I am going to explain how to find the solution in detail. First, this is an introduction video, so I am introducing only the words. Variable is an unknown and it does not have the fixed value. It varies from situation to situation, so it is called variable. Variable is a symbol. You can use any letter from the alphabet. In any equation, these three things will be there: coefficient, variable, constant, and operator. Operator you must have. This is another one is equal symbol. When if it is equal, then only we can call it as equation. These things you keep in your mind. Coefficient. Co means with that somebody, with the somebody. Co-teacher, you can say that, or colleague. This co-word indicates with someone. Constant means fixed value. It is number is having its own value. So these things if you know, we can do the algebra just like a playing a games. Or now let us see what is expression. Numbers, symbols and operators are grouped. Numbers, symbols and operators grouped together is called expression. This part we call expression. 5x minus 7 is one of the expression. If it other things are, these are called term. Term means 5x is one term, 7 and 5 are the term. So what is term? Term is a single number or a variable or numbers and variables multiplied together is called expression and term. Expression means one or two terms will be there. Now here there are two terms, 5x and 7. 5 is also here one of the term. If you know these meanings, you can enjoy the algebra. Hope you understood how to solve. There are different types of words in the algebra. Hope you understood the meanings of these new words. Try to understand. Thank you, my dear students.